Good morning. During the first week of March, ICE snatched up 48 members of our communities here in Santa Fe and in Roswell and Albuquerque. They conducted this so-called enhanced enforcement operation with several other federal agencies, including the FBI. ICE didn't make an announcement about this operation until March 12th. We submitted a complaint to the Department of Homeland Security yesterday because we don't know what's happened to these 4 dozen New Mexicans. They've effectively disappeared. Our organizations haven't heard from them or encountered them in the ICE detention facilities here in our state. The federal government hasn't identified where they're being held or under what authorities. We don't know what conditions of detention they're being subjected to, whether they have access to counsel, or whether they're even still in the United States. They're gone. We know that enforced disappearance is unlawful under the US Constitution. We know that disappearing people is also prohibited under international human rights law. We know that when a government apprehends somebody and conceals what's happened to them or their whereabouts, that's a human rights violation. We're demanding that the DHS Office for Civil Rights and Civil Liberties and the DHS Office of the Immigration Ombudsman immediately investigate this situation. We're specifically calling on them to ensure the physical and psychological safety of the New Mexicans that have been disappeared, to ensure that they face no retaliation for the complaint that's been submitted, and to pursue accountability for all personnel and contractors involved in this matter. No one here in New Mexico should have to live with this kind of fear, that they or their loved ones could be picked up and effectively disappeared.